Good morning. It's September 3, right? Sunday. And our very good friend, neighbor here in the lake, Frankie. Always, man, he takes care of us here. So, right. So, cook a special homegrown breakfast for us. Okay? It's just our next door neighbor. Check my friends. This is the view while we have our breakfast. This is the view. Woo! Yeah. Grapes here. This is the view. This is the view of this deck next door. So see, we have breakfast. We have breakfast. Oh my goodness.
That rock open, the roots. Look here. Watch it don't fall down, man. Look right here, Conrad, the roots. Split this rock open.
Yeah.
It split the rock. And
The
these
roots of the tree.
the roots of the tree are going in there.
It's just like splitting the rocks, big rocks.
But it stays up. I keep thinking I'm gonna come here and it falls down.
This like
How does it stay up?
this is the very big tree on top of this big rock. And it doesn't fall, you know. It's just like a weird tree inside the ranch of
And my
Frank.
friend Chuck that weed wax for me and weed wax for you, I bring him here and he weed wax this every year.
Yeah. This is the Mendocino River within the property of Frank. This river, the water coming from
Lake Pillsbury
Lake Pillsbury
and the Russian River.
and the Russian River,
And it goes to Marin. Marin County,
Marin
and Sonoma
County.
County has the water rights.
the
to
water
this
rights.
Water that
So
they release.
this goes to the Mendocino Lake, and this river is passing to the property of Frank. So this is like
Highway 20.
Highway 20 already on top.
That's a retaining wall when they built the highway. The
So
whole river.
yeah, this is like a private little beach here.
The highway doesn't crack or shift and come down. It's all This is all engineered, Conrad.
Yeah.
Hold the dirt back for the highway. You see all this metal?
Yeah.
It's a lot of work. I think it's metal. I think it's weird, but that's the way it is. I was told Mendocino County didn't want the responsibility of the money to keep it up and do what needs to be done at the lake. So they gave it to Sonoma County. Marin County has a lot of money. Yeah. So they regulate the water that comes out of the lake. Right. Yeah, it's one of the top 3 anyways, I'm sure.
Because of the
Yeah.
So when it's hot over there, it's cool here?
It stays a lot cooler here down in this, you know, when the water is
wow.
here. I mean, so I come here on some real hot days. And I stay here. Sometimes I stay a couple nights in the motorhome.
All right.
I have pots and pans and dishes and towels and clothes and everything in the motorhome. And I keep a bunch of moisture.
River runs of Frank, and it's about 10 plus 50, I think 60. So he has 70 acres of runs to hunt. So at the end of the road, near the Mendocino River, is passing through his property. So yeah, when we came, we saw some deer. Big property. This is we have the deer. Skin.
Tracy and Corp collection. It was a
Yeah, you have.
he financed the cars, and if you didn't pay it, if he didn't pay for the car, he has this truck here that he sold me this truck.
Oh, so you have this antiques, you know, like mill, you know, antique mills.
That stuff was here when I bought
Yeah.
the ranch. It was here. Some of that stuff, yeah.
Yeah.
And actually, some of those cans are that stuff in antiques now.
Which one? Which one, mommy?
Like those two cans up on top. That's my
The-
last name right there, Ulrich.
Oh, that's why.
That's my last name. That was on my uncle's house, and he gave me that sign. He took it down when he got divorced. Yeah. He got divorced and he took the sign down.
My goodness. Yeah. And there's a lot, like lawn mowers, you have a lot of mowers.
Yeah, better to be looking at it than looking for it.
Huh?
Otter Valley, you're better off to be looking at it than looking for it out here. 'Cause there's nothing around out here.
My goodness. Too much assets, my friend. My goodness. So what?
This mower works good. I used to have this one down at the river. I brought it back here. This is a good Jeep here. This is what I used to pull the staircase up. When I pull the staircase up with the chain and the pulley.
But it's still like working, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah, it runs good. This tractor's good.
Oh my goodness.
And this is the repo truck here.
So the hay you're buying it?
I sell it.
Huh?
I sell it.
Where did
I
you get?
sell hay.
Where did you get the hay?
Over on Highway 5. I buy it and I sell it.
Oh.
But see, that was the repo truck for my friend's car business. He'd
Oh.
sell you a car and he had a finance business. And he financed the car for you. And if you didn't pay for the car,
Yeah, right.
I had a guy that drove this truck.
Yeah. Repossess,
Loaded up on it,
Yeah, right.
take it back.
Yeah.
It was in San Leandro. It was called Sir Richard's Used Cars.
This one still work.
Oh yeah. And this one here is got a mower on the side.
Huh?
That's got a mower like Caltrans on the side, and it mows. It takes all the berry bushes out.
Which one?
That
that one.
tractor there.
Oh my goodness.
They all run. All three of these tractors run, and I use them.
It's a lot, man.
And this trailer goes on that flatbed truck, and I can move my cows with this trailer.
So
And these
what
fence boards I'm going to use over at Harlan.
what
On
we?
those two lots I bought across the street from my house.
Mhm.
You know I bought those two.
Yeah,
lots,
right.
I'm going to do some fencing.
Across.
Yeah.
Yeah. We were discussing that it's good that Frank owns the land, so you know.
I got both of those lots, and then I got both of those lots that I haven't done anything next to my house,
Right.
outside of my bedroom.
Right.
One good thing about that is they can never block my view now that I bought those two lots. From my bed, I can look out the window.
Yeah. Right.
Otherwise, somebody could else, they were going to list it. And they got a hold of me and said, hey, are you interested in buying these lots? Because I was interested when I started to build that fence coming down the hill 10 years ago. I called the guy and he wanted 60 grand for those two lots. And I said, no thanks. And then I put the fence in. So that he remembered my name and my number or whatever. 10 years later, he got a hold of me last month and said, hey, are you still interested?
How much?
I thought he wanted 60 because that's what he paid for the lots. 60 grand in 2006. You know, and he wasn't going to come down on the price, so I never bought him, and I put the fence in. Now I got the fence in. Now he wants to sell them to me, and I made an offer of 16.
Wow.
I got it.
And I got it. Yeah.
Oh my
16.
goodness, I love you,
Yeah.
Frankie. I love you.
He moved out of California. He's in Oregon. He says he doesn't want the responsibility and the liability the liability and the responsibility of keeping the weeds down because he's had to hire somebody
Yeah.
to go there twice a year. Otherwise,
Yeah.
the city cleans it, and then they charge you a crazy
Right,
amount of money.
Oh, what is this one?
And then
This is marijuana. Huh? No?
this is stickers.
Huh?
I got marijuana out there, but nothing here.
No. Is it that?
Huh? This is star thistle. This is bad.
Huh? I thought it was.
No. See this? This is bad.
But yeah.
See the thorns?
Yeah.
This is star thistle. This is shit. You don't want this. See the stickers in it? The thorns, it's like cactus. I hate that shit. It pops up sometimes.
Yeah.
It's over there. More work.
Man.
They got good grass out there they can eat. See, that's black Angus is what they call that.
Yeah, black Angus. Yeah. So it's
Yeah, I'm going to use all these fence boards over there in Lake County.
yeah.
1 bundle, 2 bundles, 3 bundles.
So you bought it.
I bought them from a guy that's got a mill, a lumber mill up north. And I haul them down with the trailer. I got some trailers over there. I got a car trailer over there on that road going in. So I put them on the car trailer.
Man.
And I hauled them down.
What I'm saying, at your age, my friend, you accumulated this.
Yeah, I'm getting tired though.
Know what I'm saying, but my friend, this is just my from my heart, right? You made more money. I don't know if it comes from your. Did you inherit something from your parents?
Never. My father never gave me $1. My father came from a poor family, 7 kids. He was the oldest.
So
My father
that-
shoes didn't fit. They made fun of my father when he went to school because he had old clothes. Very poor family. And he didn't want to be poor, so he bought property in San Francisco. He didn't want to be poor, like his father was poor. You know? With 7 kids and my grandma.
That's what I'm saying, my
My
friend.
father never gave me $1. He never gave me $1. Go get an ice cream. No, wasn't like that. I had a paper route at a young age.
So what I'm
I
saying.
delivered newspapers before I went to school.
So what I'm saying. With all
I've always had 2 jobs all my life.
Huh?
I've always had. I was in the plumbers union, and I still had a second job.
But with all these assets, my friend. With all these assets, you know that you have.
Better to be looking at it than looking for it.
I'm just like.
Like I'm possibly going to sell this. I'm meeting the guy in the middle of December. We're going to talk about buying it. And he's going to buy it over 10 years. And I'm going to keep all this until he pays for it for 10 years. He's going to put some money down.
Oh, okay.
He's going to put some money down in December.
Not
And then
instant.
he's going to pay me monthly. And he's going to buy it over 10 years. And I'll get my stuff here. He goes in that road down there to the back. He's got 25 acres. And I got 5 acres front section in these buildings until he pays it off.
Oh,
And then he's got to buy it over 5 years or
so
10 years.
for the next 10 years, you're good. You may have your cash flow.
Yeah. And I'm good without that. I can keep it. I don't have to sell it.
Right.
So this is what he wants to do in the middle of December. He's leasing it right now for 1 year. And he's going to possibly, I'm going to rent it back to him.
So it's like yes, a feel, but but yeah,
But it's a lot to maintain, you know? A lot of this stuff here, you know, at some point when he pays me off, I got to get rid of everything.
yeah.
I got to clean up, you know?
Man, I'm salute. Well, I'm overwhelmed with your. Huh? You have your own like you can have already your like a equipped with a like a shop, motor shop.
Look
Already.
at this here. This is like something in the movies. Looks like a wall, right?
Right.
Oh.
Huh?
Yeah.
And this goes in here.
Yeah. So you close.
I set this up for my father. If my father couldn't do the stairs in San Francisco anymore and I had to take care of him if he couldn't walk, wheelchair, you can come in here with the wheelchair and you can get in the shower with the wheelchair.
So your
or
father.
even myself when I get old, you know, you can live in here because there's no stairs.
Yeah.
I put the kitchen in here, the bed over here. And
Your father still lives in San
He
Francisco.
checked out last year. 86 he died. We made it for 86, but it was just kind of, if he needed a place to stay, I was going to move him up here. You know, because there's no stairs, and in the meantime, it's kind of our little break room when we just work here, you know?
Oh my goodness. A lot of truck.
It's a half a mile from the street to the back fence. So it's a mile of fencing. More than a mile of fencing here. Barbed wire.
Huh?
See here?
Mild fencing. Not fencing. Mild.
Yeah.
I put this in here too, a washer and dryer, and a laundry tub. And I put the toilet here.
No.
This water heater takes care of the shower inside here and the kitchen sink. On this water heater, it's electric. And then I put the toilet back in there. Laundry tub, washer, and dryer. This stuff used to be inside where my bedroom is.
Oh,
So it gives me more room to put.
sports house.
Yeah, so the name of their product, when you go to Home Depot, if you go someplace, you'll see it. It's called Pennant.
This is actually historic.
Yeah. They call it Pennant. You know, they grow everything. Swiss chard, they have greenhouses, they strawberries. They have a really lot of, they grow all their food. They don't like it.
What I say, can you not hunt them? Why is nobody hunting them?
Well, it's not elk season. It opens up, I think, in 2 weeks, and you got to have a tag. You got to get a tag and a license, and you got to be on your own property.
So,
Yeah, I used to work for him too. I was his plumber too. Big money.